It's a trendy exercise program in an unlikely place. In classes across the Somali capital, Mogadishu, youth practice breathing, meditation, and stretching. But it's not just for fun. This mind-body wellness program, as it's called here, is for survivors of sexual violence and other trauma to help them with the counseling they receive. Organizers asked VOA not to reveal names of participants and instructors for security reasons.
In the beginning, I had anxiety. Now I'm better. I couldn't eat. Now I can eat. I don't have problems. It helped me reduce my anxiety and the worries. Each time the memory comes back to me, I do the exercise, and it helps me forget.
Besides survivors of sexual violence, there are former child soldiers and other youth suffering from trauma or at risk of recruitment into armed groups, like the militant group Al-Shabaab. For survivors of physical attack, the mind-body wellness complements traditional counseling techniques, which usually only focus on psychology.
It helps if your body is settled, your mind is at ease. If you close your eyes and you breathe in and out, and you calm yourself, and you don't move your body, then it can help you ease your mind.
The Mind-Body Wellness program began last year with 12 Somali instructors trained by the Africa Yoga Project, a Nairobi-based nonprofit. The program breaks barriers in conservative Somali society where there are strict gender roles, including surrounding access to athletics programs.
They say that what a boy can do, a girl cannot do, but that's not true. That's a lie. It's the way you carry yourself. I try to do what a boy can do.
Some 300 people participate in the Mind-Body Wellness classes each week, but there aren't enough services for survivors of sexual violence in Somalia, including access to justice or basic health care.
The response services are getting increased day after day, but the prevention activities and the overall system building needs to be done, because we can provide a response as much as we can, fund millions, but we didn't cure the problem.
Healing trauma is not the same as preventing it, but at least it's a start. Jason Patinkin for VOA News in Mogadishu.